This is where I play my Call of Duty. This is the master controller. We will need this phone to call Vanchka. Proceed out the vehicle. Yo, before we leave, let me show you these dumbass birds. Hey, retards. Get the fuck away from me. Don't talk to me like that, you faggot. Okay? I put you on YouTube and fuck you up. Light you on fire with my flamethrower. Dumbass. Do you want to see the flamethrower? Let me show you. Whoa, that. This is my automatic flamethrower. I use it occasionally with my victims. It's pretty cool. Only when you want to use it against people. Burn their legs off. Or their kneecaps. It's better. Let's proceed. Oh, where's the phone? Damn it. Phone. This is gonna be nice definition. This is the piece of shit car that never moves. Yeah. I'm on the phone. Huh, he does not know I'm making secret video for the secret organization. Hold on, please. Who's these lame people? Who are these people randomly? They look sketch as fuck rolling up on this. Goodbye. Who's this? Vanchka? Do not call my house at this time. It's so early. The light is out.
Huh?
Where are you?
Hello?
Yes, fucker.
Where are you?
I'm in your front yard looking at your fucking plants. You want to see Vanchka's weed
Be
plant?
outside in a minute, alright?
Dude, listen. I'm making a video. You need to hurry up. These videos take like 2 hours to download, yo. Hurry up. Vanchka's taking way too long. I do not like this. I wish you could pause this camera, but I don't think you can. Where's the pause button? I wonder if you press this button, will you pause? No, it did not pause. No, this is not it. Damn. I don't think you can pause in this video. This is retarded. Damn. 3 minutes passed by. Waiting Vanchka, this is the bag I was kicking, I knock out. No. Where the fuck is Vanchka at? This is the inside of his crazy. Is this Vanchka? Vanchka? Let's call Vanchka. Look at my shadow. It looks sexy. This is cool. If you come in detail with this plant, you look in the inside of its penis.
Yeah.
Where the fuck are you? I'm making a video.
I told you I was coming.
Hurry up, man. This video is only gonna be 5 minutes long. I'm trying to show these niggas. Hurry up. Let's not answer him. I'm gonna put the phone here. Any missed calls? We don't see any there. You take this out. This is a contabulary and countenary. It stops the, the smell of anything that's put in it. Okay. Hold on, please. 4 minutes. You need to hurry up, Vanchka. Oh shit. Hold on, let me take it out. Cap. Hold on, guys. I will have to put you down for a second. You will be able to talk to Vanchka if he comes out. Okay. We'll put this there. Where the fuck is this? Okay, let me show you the secret. The weapon. It smells awesome. This is not mine, this is Ivan's. But this is some crazy... Oh, you can't even see the perfection of it, how it looks like. Well, it looks crazy. It's like super awesome. Only if you could tell what it was in this video camera. But not showing how to do it is not the answer. I wonder how long this camera can video record. Vanchka. Vanchka, Vanchka, Vanchka. Oh. Why do you let these people do this to you? It's not the work of the phones. He does not know. This fucking hair, I'm gonna cut this shit today. Here comes Vanchka. I can hear him from his outer inside door. Here he comes. This is him. Hello. This is how we start the day. He comes out with great tank top that I do not know why he has come out with. Come on, Vanchka. Let me introduce you to these people. Say hello to the fans.
Hello fans.
Why do you have a piece of aluminum in your hand?
We're about to experience some very crazy things.
Get down, your head is in right there, perfect.
So, stay tuned.
Okay, we will pause.